napansin nga ni Senator Risa Ontiveros because this is our last day, so I'm about to end my tenure as a senator. Sabi niya, ang bookends ng political life mo, andito si Comelec sa umpisa, andito pa rin si Comelec sa dulo. So, because if you remember, my dear colleagues, last December 11, 2024, you were already congratulating me. Oh, but that was 6 months ago. So 6 months later, hindi pa rin tapos ang issue na yon. So I hope nagdilang anghel kayo nung 6 months ago, Mr. President. In 2016, this chamber entrusted me with the honor of being Senate President, a role previously held by my father, Senate President Nene Pimentel. Can I reveal, Ma'am Lauren, can I reveal that ikaw may kasalanan nito? Yes, opo. Wala po akong ambisyon. Ako po'y tinawagan ni Senator Lauren at sinabihan na, mag-ambisyon ka maging Senate President. Okay, so for 22 months, I endeavored to uphold my vision of a Philippine society which is just and fair, which saves and shares, scientific, peaceful, educated, healthy, democratic, and which is most of all happy and free with overflowing love of God and country. So passing a law is a collective effort. So together, all of us, during my time as Senate President, we shepherded, we started and or passed landmark measures. Free tuition, free irrigation, the wage increases for public servants, the doubling of the base pay of military and uniform personnel, free public Wi-Fi, and extended the validity of passports and driver's licenses, care of Senator Grace po. The Bangsamoro Organic Act, this is the effort of Migs Subiri, the universal access to quality tertiary education, the train law, especially that aspect which lowered personal income tax rates, the ease of doing business, mental health act, to name a few. I would also like to thank all of you for helping me pass and or for designating me to be the sponsor or co-sponsor of many other laws involving creation of courts, the NBI Modernization Act, the Estate Tax Amnesty Law, the Retail Trade Liberalization Amendments, the creation of the Department of Migrant Workers, sa'yo to, Joel, the Creative Industries Development Act and the Centenarians Act, both laws with the help of IME, the Government Procurement Reform Act, the Archipelagic Sea Lanes Act with the help of TOL, among others. One of the great privileges of serving in this chamber has been meeting and learning from some of the finest minds in our country's political and legislative history. I am grateful to have learned from their wisdom and of course from your wisdom, my dear colleagues, and your wit and your statesmanship. My time as minority leader has been most fulfilling too. I have learned a lot having been forced to read almost all of your bills. Totoo. Pero hindi kaya. Yeah, I said almost all. So I thank my compatriot in the minority of two, Senator Risa Ontiveros, for electing me as the minority leader. Oh? Ganun kasimple yung aming eleksyon, actually, Mr. President. So, iwan ko na lang po sa inyo bilang pakiusap ko ang mga panukalang batas na na-file ko na sumasalamin sa aking mga personal na advokasya. Kabilang dito ang pagtatag ng ospital para sa mga senior citizens. Saan si Senator Bongo? Sana pansinin naman niya ito. Ang modernisasyon ng Philippine Orthopedic Hospital. Ito, pag-isipan niyo po ito na mabuti, ang pagbuwag ng travel tax. Because, nasa Constitution kasi that we have the right to travel, so we do not tax a right. At ang integrasyon ng computer programming sa basic education curriculum. Sinusulong ko rin ang reforma sa People's Initiative and Referendum Act. Pakitingin na lang po. And also, I filed some measures designed to discourage negligence and recklessness. Ito ang tinatawag na mga quasi-offenses sa dami ng mga aksidente ng mga bus, mga heavy vehicles leading to injuries as well as loss of lives. Pag-aralan po natin ito. Marami akong lessons learned. For example, saan ako nagkamali, paano nyo kami nautakan, yes, paano nautakan ng majority ay minority, tapos actually may pagkakamali kami na present kaming dalawa, absent yung isa, meron sana kaming parliamentary maneuver na nagawa. Pero hindi ko na muna i-detalye, ikwento lahat ito kasi ang bala ko isulat ito sa isang libro para naman merong pang bumili ng libro ko. Okay? So I owe this journey to many. Hindi ko po ito narating ng mag-isa. So to my colleagues, all of you, so if I look around, I think I've spent enough time in this chamber and I've been siguro so involved in your professional lives that I think I have personal relationships with all of you. Actually, with all of you. Ito, si Sila Bato, si Pongo, si Robin. May kaso pa nga kami. We are fighting over a political party. And because of that, I have been forced to look for another political party. So party mates ko na, Tita Cynthia, Jaime Marcos, Mark Villar, Pia Cayetano. So I really have, I believe I have personal relationships with all of you. So I want to thank all of you. The Senate is not a place for echo chambers, but for courageous discourse. In diversity, we find democracy's heartbeat. Salamat for debating with me. I learned a lot from using my kokote. And I believe this is also an anti-Alzheimer's measure. Diba? So, maraming salamat po muli sa inyo lahat. Pero siguro, kung meron man nasaktan sa 13 years ko rito sa Senado, kasi siyempre na-involved din tayo sa some highly political issues Kung meron pong nasaktan sa aking mga kilos, nasabi, actions or na-file, I beg for your understanding. And I pray that with the passage of time, you will find it in your heart to forgive me. So ganun lang po. If ever. Okay, so I'm assuming meron kasi lahat tayo dito, sensitive Karamihan sa atin rito sensitive. So, basta ulitin ko to my dear colleagues, I really thank you. You have been